This is the Rook. It's a customized armored Caterpillar 287C skid steer loader developed by Ring Power Tactical Solutions. Yes, the same Caterpillar loaders you see at construction sites, but revamped to fight crime. The Rook has an armored platform that transports 5 fully equipped SWAT team members to heights of up to 4 meters. It has an hydraulic breaching ram which extends up to 3 meters and breaches reinforced steel doors, concrete walls, and protected windows without breaking a sweat. It features a bulletproof glass with firing ports, sliding doors, and 360-degree surveillance cameras. The sealed cabin includes air conditioning, heating, and night vision. The operator sits behind in an NIJ Level 4 armor rated against 0.3006 caliber armor-piercing bullets. However, things remain simple when it comes to driving this armored loader. The operator uses dual joysticks to control movement, attachments, and cameras, just like a standard Caterpillar loader. And here's the crazy part. The Rook costs less than a single armored SWAT van, but can do 10 times more. That's why over 50 U.S. police departments already own one.